In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to set an emoji as your Telegram profile photo. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings.
In the main settings panel, look right near the top at your account details, or click on Edit Profile to open up your customization options. Hover your mouse over your current profile picture, or click directly on it, and look for an option or camera icon that lets you change or set a new photo. When the photo options pop up, select the choice to use an emoji instead of uploading a standard file from your computer. Telegram will open up its built-in emoji picker. Click on any animated or static emoji you like, and you'll instantly see a preview. Want to make it pop? Right above or next to the picker, you can choose a custom background color or gradient to match your style. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Boom! Your new animated emoji avatar is live for everyone to see. Using an animated emoji or sticker lets you keep your personal privacy completely intact while giving your profile a clean, dynamic look on desktop. And that is pretty much it. No complicated image editing software required, and zero hassle trying to crop standard photos on your PC. If you found this quick tech tip helpful, hit that like button or share it with a friend who uses Telegram desktop every day. Let me know in the comments what kind of emoji you ended up choosing. See you in the next one.